this video, I want to show you how to create school safety survey. First, you need to click Add on, Coffee Form, and Load Form Template. After that, you can search School Safety Survey. And after you found it, just click Load Selected Template. And then you can check the dashboard, responses, questions, and the settings. You just need to refresh the page and click Coffee Form here and Get Link. And then just click Continue and go to your account. Click Advanced and go to Coffee Form. And then you just need to click Allow here and wait for it, and you will get a link like this. Just copy it all and paste it into your search engine. So now the form is ready to use. You can also custom the form, like for example, I want to insert new questions here. Just click and insert new row. For example, I use text here and change the questions. I use name here like this. So go to your form and it will show like this in the form. Or maybe you can change the question type into date, and don't forget to change the text too, like date, and it will change instantly in the form, so the audience can pick the date easily from the calendar. Or maybe you can delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so the row will disappear instantly. Or you can change the background color of your form in the settings. Just pick the color that you want and it will change easily. Or maybe you can change the style of the title. For example, here I delete the mark behavior code. Just follow the step and it will start now. Thank you.